3D pre-visualization has become an essential step in modern filmmaking, giving directors and DOPs the ability to plan shots, block scenes, and evaluate camera movements long before stepping onto a physical set. But even today, the previous process often involves multiple teams, time-consuming revisions, and back-and-forth communication that slows down decision-making. Traditionally, directors rely on CG artists to build environments, place characters, adjust lenses, tweak lighting, and generate test shots. Every change, no matter how small, means another request, another render, and another delay. Camera tests take time, lighting adjustments take time, and reviewing different options becomes a lengthy loop. Easy Previs changes that workflow entirely. Instead of depending on large teams or waiting for iterations, directors and DOPs can now control the entire 3D previs process themselves. Switch between extensive camera bodies and lens options instantly. Place and customize actors with accurate poses. Drop in props and lights with real-time visual feedback. Test blocking, adjust framing, experiment with lighting setups, and capture snapshots or record sequences, all right inside the tool. Every shot becomes faster to plan, every idea becomes easier to visualize, and every decision can now be made directly by the people who understand the film best. Now let's dive into the full demo of Easy Previs. Welcome to Easy Previs, a pre-visualization tool where imagination takes shape. This is the Locations menu, where all the locations from your movie is recreated virtually. Here we have 2 locations for demo purposes. In the graphics settings, you can configure the visual fidelity to optimize scenes based on the hardware. Now, let's load the downtown location. After the scene is loaded, we will see some pre-placed characters in this beautiful environment. We have 3 navigation modes. The fly mode is the default option. We navigate with WASD keys for movement, Q and E for up and down movement. Then, we have the walk mode, where the camera is at a first-person view, which will make it easier for users to be much more immersive. Finally, we have the orbit mode. The user uses the mouse to orbit, pan, and zoom the entire scene. We can also focus on any object to inspect them. Then, we have the time and weather toolbox. We can change the time of the day with the slider, and the lighting changes dynamically. Then we can choose a weather preset from the list, and we can see how it affects the scene visually. The presets include clear skies, cloudy, foggy, rain, snow, and sand, or dust. We can also customize individual settings such as fog, wind intensity, rain, snow, etc. to create a custom weather. Now, let's focus on the guys talking over on the bench. Let's put a camera there. By selecting the camera settings open up. We can enter the camera view from there. We have entered the camera view. Let's frame the shot. The background of the frame looks empty, so let's place a prop there. We have a list of preset props to choose from, which can be created and added based on the requirement. We will choose to place a step ladder and rotate it. In the Viewer menu, we have the Move tool. We will use it to move the step ladder into a preferred position. We can also use the Annotation tool to make note or leave messages for other users. We also have a Measurement tool, which can be used to measure objects and distances between them. This will be useful for the art department and also the DOPs, as we can measure the exact distance between the subject and the camera. We can use the Snapshot tool to take screenshots of the viewport with all the data for reference. Then we can also create bookmarks, which are selective quick camera views, which will make navigating bigger scenes easier. We have already created some bookmarks in the scene. We can create bookmarks anywhere and switch to them quickly. Then, let's place a few actors to fill the scene. We will place a character and rename. We have a list of poses to choose from. We will choose walk. We will then duplicate the actor to fill the scene. Now let's go into our camera view to finalize the shot. We have lots of camera presets, including IMAX 70mm, Super 35mm, 16:9 digital film camera, and more. We will select the IMAX 70mm. We also have lots of lens presets, including 12mm, prime of 2.8, 50mm, prime of 1.8, 70 to 200mm, zoom f 2.8, and more. We can add more custom presets based on user requirements such as anamorphic lenses and more. We can also change the aperture, FPS, and focal length. We can also take a snapshot from the camera view. Then, we can finally start the recording, which will prompt the user to input the name of the video and the save location. When the recording starts, the time code will also become active. The user can then make the camera movements and stop the recording. The recorded video will be saved in the local computer. Thank you for watching. Let's make your dreams a reality.